You are talking about socio-economic transformation. So therefore, when I hear you people talking about extension workers, commercial, I don't know what, there's some funny groups there. Commercial officer or something like that. Those ones were set up by the British to extend their, because the extension worker, remember during the time of the British, the extension worker was to persuade a few of our people to grow coffee for colonialism and to grow cotton for the Manchester industries of textiles. That's what they were extending. That's why they never talk about value addition. You never hear an extension worker talking about value addition. He's only talking about produce more coffee. When I produce it, what happens? That's none of my business. Produce more coffee. And then you have got coffee marketing board to take it out as unprocessed coffee. This is the structure you're having. So here, when we talk of wealth creation, we are talking essentially of two things. First of all, changing our people from tradition to middle class economics, to money economy. But secondly, NRM point number 5 of the 10 points, building an economy which is integrated, independent, and self-sustaining. That meaning value addition. This is what we are talking about. We are talking about a new economy. We are not talking about the old economy. The colonial economy had introduced a little bit of cash activities, but very limited and restricted to raw materials only. So once you are convinced that your people can modernize through commercial farming, then when you come to the government, to the caucus, you bring the bottlenecks that are blocking your people. Like in this case, if it is more dams, you bring the dams so that we dig more dams. If it is solar-powered irrigation, you bring it up so that your people, all of them, get into wealth creation. But the mistake you are making is you don't address those. Instead, you address roads. Yes, roads are important, but what do you transport on the roads? Because even when the roads are there, you have nothing you are transporting. Because, for instance, we tarmac the road from Soroti to Moroto, all the way. And the other time I was in Katakwi, I found them drying cassava along the road on the tarmac. But this road is not for drying cassava this road is for transporting wealth. So what wealth are you transporting along this road? But back in Otuke, those people are still going to the well for water. Even when we make a borehole, they go to share it. The children are still riding their mothers on the back. The mothers are still cooking with firewood. Now, is it correct for us to build a society of two types? The we